guys, welcome to my channel. I want to be a cabin crew. I'm making this video just to inform you that I'm organizing a contest on Facebook called Closer to Your Dream. This is my Facebook page, Qatar Airways I want to be a cabin crew. I will post the link also in the description. What is the price of this contest? 1 hour, maybe 2 hours of full assistance. Together we will simulate all the interview steps: CV drop-off, English test, Rish test, and final interview. I will correct your CV. If you want, you can hide some personal details. Don't think that this is my purpose to steal your information. If you have formal pictures, I will also tell you if they are fine or if they need improvements. I will give you an English test similar to the one of Qatar Airways and then correct it together. In the end, after we finish all the steps, I will offer you feedback and you can ask me whatever questions you want. One important thing: who I am. Maybe many of you don't know. I've been working for Qatar Airways as a cabin crew for the last 3 years. I also studied human resource management in university. Next, what do you have to do to win? It's very easy. You need to write a comment answering to one question. Why do you want to be a cabin crew? The answer with the highest number of likes will be the winner. You can also tag your friends in the comments if you want them to vote for you. The contest will finish on 30th of September. If you are watching this video too late, no worries, because I'm planning to hold this contest every month. Guys, that's it. I just wanted to offer you also the opportunity to win this prize because you are so many here on YouTube, 12,000 people. By the way, I would like to thank you for subscribing to my channel and watching my videos. If you have any question about cabin crew life or Qatar Airways, write it in the comments and I will be happy to answer you. Also, let me know what video would you like to see next. I'm thinking about a part 2 of the video Qatar Airways training, or what do we have to do before a flight, or what to pack before coming to Doha. Just let me know. See you next time.